There's Scout. Oh, Scouty. Whoa! So, I had a, idea. Whoa, hey, come here. I'm going to sell, those two, baby, birds, the blue ones, but locally. Huh. But I need to catch them first. Whoa. Yeah, it's still leaking. Yeah, it's leaking again. See? This is how they get the water from. Yep, this is the pump. Whoa. And they're the parents. They are all eggs. I need to sell when they're gonna hatch. See? This thing in there. And I put paper so my birds won't destroy my filter again. And cooking. They're doing good. And those two are new. They're called Diamond Dove. Oh, no, it's not. Let's see if there's any eggs in that. I'm going to take you to the back of the Avery. Let me look at. And this is where I turn it down, but I think I need to turn up it a little bit. This is where the birdseed is at, but I do not need to feed them. So my feet. Come on. Yep. Okay. Never mind. Hey, I need to put my phone down. Sorry. I don't know how to do this. Come on. Ah, nope. Oh well. Oh, a lot of spider webs. What's in there? Let's see, there's any eggs in here. I'm curious. Hello. Wee. I hope there are no spiders in here. Oh yeah, we are getting the fence. Okay. You're gonna look at the sky for a minute. Okay. Okay. Sorry about that. Let me see. Nope. No eggies in that one. Oh, I couldn't sneeze. This is kind of hard with one hand. you go. I think this one has something in it. Nope. Nothing. Okay. Come on. Oh my god. Come on. Why is this so hard? There we go. Right there. Itch. Do. Oh, oopsie daisy. Ooh, I didn't know I was going to do things. Yep, my grandfather made this when the birds wanted to escape. Come on. Sigh. Look at the sky again. Okay. Come on, please. I got it. Ugh. Alright. There we go. Alright, that's just my leg. Alrighty. Yep. And I'm going to sell brownies locally in my neighborhood. And here are my rescue fish. They're doing well. Oh my goodness. Hi. Maybe there's some froggies in the floor. I don't know, I'm gonna drop my phone in the water for you. That would be bad. Yeah, we always do this. Nope, no froggies. Wee! It's in here. Nope. No froggies today. Yay! Okay. Have a good day. Bye.